From bake to box without a single touch. World's first automated packaging machine without touching your product. It's a kind of magic.
Is it a challenge to pack your delicate products quickly and carefully into cases? Whether we're talking about donuts, cakes, ballines, hamburgers or any other fragile products, you certainly want them to be handled with care and precision.
And the best way to do that is with your hands? Nope, forget about that. Why settle for the traditional when you can upgrade to superior care and efficiency? From bake to box without a single touch, that's our StackPacker promise.
With its advanced yet simple technology, the StackPacker packs your products into cases. Layer by layer, without unnecessarily contacting and contaminating the product, and without a drop in height. Forgot expensive, high maintenance and complicated pick and place lines, and choose a cost-efficient alternative built to last. The StackPacker handles your product with care, while being incredibly fast. I mean, 29,000 products per hour, isn't that fast? And of course, it runs 24/7 non-stop production.
The concept is extremely simple and suitable for a wide range of box sizes. And of course, we guarantee you the lowest total cost of ownership, as with all our machines. The machine is very easy to operate. When a problem occurs on the screen, warnings and potential solutions will appear. And you know what? While watching these videos, over 1,500 donuts have already been packed.
So, do you want to pack your donuts, ballines, burgers, cakes or any other products at high speed and perfectly placed back in box? The StackPacker can do the trick. Nieuwe Plast, passionate people.